Ganahan ka na. Dagdagan pa ng mga beauty and health tips na bonggang-bongga. At ang showbiz chika, hindi mawawala. Mga hot issue ng bayan ngayon, ating pag-usapan. Ano mang problema, may positibong paraan para solusyonan yan. Samahan ninyo ako magpalaganap ng kabutihan at kagandahan. Ito ang Warrior Angel, ang makabulang weekend program na magaan at masaya. Let's be happy, wag na mag-worry.
Warrior Angel. Warrior Angel. Kasama si Brenda Arcangel tuwing Sabado alas 11 hanggang alas 12 ng tanghali dito sa Radyo Inquirer 990. Ito ang Trans Radio Broadcasting Corporation. DZIQ. Radyo Inquirer 990. Kasapi ng KBP. Hatid ay balanseng pagbabalita. Walang takot na pamamahayag. DZIQ. Radyo Inquirer 990. Para sa maiinit na balita, Victory in Governance and Technology through Information Network. Bigatin. Para sa mga napapanahong usapan, Victory in Governance and Technology through Information Network. Bigatin. Makinig at makisalo sa programang Siksik sa Impormasyon at Bigatin sa Kaalaman. Kasama ang inyong mga kabarkada na sina Den Macaranas, Arnie Barcelo, Angel Bonifacio at Ellison Barcelo. Bigatin Radio. Sa Bigatin, bigatin ka talaga! With branches all over the Philippines, Hotel Sogo is the hotel chain of choice for travelers and balikbayans. Affordable, safe, and complete with amenities, unlike other provincial hotels. Now you have somewhere comfortable to stay anywhere in Metro Manila, or even when you visit your favorite province.
Good morning, good morning. What's up, Pilipinas? Ito po si Ross Del Rosario, ang inyong pambansang vlogger from whatsuppilipinas.com. And narito na naman po ulit tayo sa Bigatin Radio ng Radyo Inquirer DCIQ 990 AM. Ngayon, napaka-interesting ang episode natin for today. This morning po kasi mga kasama natin ang mga naggagandahang mga lalaki at babae ng Slimmers World. Kasi po ito yung mga contestant dun sa kanilang isang beauty pageant at tinatawag nilang Great Bodies. Mr. and Miss Great Bodies. So, yan. Excited akong tanungin sila isa-isa. Sa ngayon, ang kasama natin ay 6 contestants pero may parating pa na mga 3 pa yata o 2. And then, at the same time, kasama po natin din ang training manager from Slimmers World. Ang pangalan po niya is Mr. Robert Baranda. Robert, good morning.
Yes, good morning and thank you for inviting us at nandito kami ngayon sa programa nyo to promote our Mr. and Miss Great Bodies 2015.
Ayan. Ang mga contestant dito kasi, Robert, di ba, talagang mga clients ng Slimmers World, di ba?
Yes, yes. So, actually, Great Bodies is the longest running fitness competition in the Philippines. We have malalim yung history ng Slimmers World Great Bodies. Kaya saka meron ng tradition. May malalim na tradition. Actually, yung isa nating kasama dito sa DZIQ is our Angel Warrior, Miss Brenda Arcangel, used to be one of our contestants back in the day. Ganong kalalim yung history ng Great Bodies. Talaga may tradition siya. And ngayon, nandito yung mga candidates natin yan to help us talk about what Great Bodies, para doon sa hindi pa nakakaalam kung ano yung Great Bodies, malalaman na nila ngayon.
Oo nga, but before we go to them, talagang natutuwa ako kasi yung one of our kapamilya dito sa Radyo Inquirer, si Miss Brenda nga, ay talagang naging part pala previously ng Great Bodies din. Tsaka sa Miss Bikini din yata. Ano ba yun?
Yes. Kasi ang Slimmers World, marami kaming competition. Meron kaming before Mr. and Miss Bikini.
So wala na ngayon
Bikini
yun.
Bodies. Pinalitan na siya, Miss Bikini Bodies na lang.
Okay.
So, but may history pa rin yung mga, malalim yung history ng Slimmers World sa mga competition na ganyan. Mahilig kami. Kasi naniniwala ang Slimmers World that competition brings out the best in our clients. Kasi ito mga clients namin ito, yung mga clients ng Slimmers World to, they're not professional athletes, hindi sila professional models. They're here as clients and they compete as clients, and nagsimula sila sa Slimmers ng ordinary pa lang sila, tapos ngayon, nagko-compete na sila.
So, sabihin, simula pa lang nung una, hindi pa sila masyadong maganda ang bodies.
Yes.
Talagang nag-improve.
Ang ibig sabihin nun, kahit sino, pwedeng
Kahit
maging
sino.
ganyan. Kasi marami tayong tagapakinig ngayon na nagsasabi, ano naman yan professional yan wala namang ibang ginawa yan kundi mag-exercise saka tumambay sa gym. Hindi. A lot kasama natin dito yung mga iba't ibang line of work, iba-ibang profession, iba-ibang career, pero nakuha pa rin nilang maging ganyan yung katawan nila.
Oo, kanina nga nag-uusap nga kami merong isa dito marketing manager
Yes.
And then kahit may age na siya, talagang kasali, ang ganda pa rin ng body niya.
Yes.
Oo. Tapos merong isa kanina, I believe anak ni Mr. King Gutierrez.
Oh,
di ba?
So, from all walks of life sila. Kasi ang objective talaga ng Slimmers World Great Bodies is to promote the healthy lifestyle. It is not too late. Kasi marami rin tayong taga-pakinig na nagsasabi, ay, matanda na ako para sa mga ganyan. Hindi po totoo yan. You are not old enough. Kasi meron tayong, about 2010, we had a 61-year-old competitor. At hindi lang siya sumali para lang makasali. He actually was a runner-up. Last year we had a 60-year-old lady na humakot din ng awards. Ibig sabihin nun, hindi porke matanda, ibang category ka. Sa Slimmers World Great Bodies, lahat pantay. The older set is competing against the younger set.
Kanina nga merong college level lang
Yes.
Oo.
And they will compete against some of our older participants who are in their 50s, in their 60s.
Ano ba ang age nito? Walang age requirement ba to? Kahit anong age
yung younger, syempre, medyo...
From college level or...
From 18, they would need
18.
a parent's consent, of course, kasi magkakaroon ng media promotions katulad dito and they'll be on stage. So, kailangan...
Pag below 18.
Yes.
So, pwede rin. Pwede talaga pag below 18.
Pag below 18, pwede with the parent's consent. Kasi syempre they'll be promoting health and fitness anyway, pero kailangan pa rin ng parents' consent for this kasi maraming activities ang Great Bodies.
So from 18 onwards pwede, wala nang
yes.
Syempre, di ba?
The older the better kasi
sabihin, kahit 100 years old pwede siya.
Kung fit pa rin, if you will hindi naman porke 100 ka pwede ka na sumali, but you have to fulfill the requirements, the fitness requirements. If you are 100 years old and you are as fit as these young people, ang galing mo.
Wow.
You need a big round of applause kung ganon.
Iyon. Ayan, excited na akong kausapin sila. Isa-isayin natin, ha. Unahin natin from right to left, di ba? Unahin natin si Miss Shara Clemente.
Hi.
Hello,
Hi,
Shara.
Ross.
Huwag masyado malapit. Yan.
Yes. Sorry.
Hi, Shara.
Hi.
Say something to about yourself. For the benefit of our...
I'm Shara Clemente, candidate number 10, representing Slimmers World Alabang. I'm 23 years old and a certified public accountant.
Wow, accountant.
Yes, I joined Great Bodies to be fit and to be more motivated on in bodybuilding. It's been my passion since I joined the Great Bodies. I fell in love with bodybuilding too.
Ayun. So, you have a day job as an accountant?
Yes.
So,
8 to 5, Monday to Friday.
So, you work out after office?
After office,
ayun.
Yes.
Ayan, alam mo, ang hirap na ganyan Talagang, di ba, minsan tayo pagod na sa trabaho, pero you still have the motivation to go to the gym and then work out.
Yeah.
Actually, if it's a lifestyle, no, kagaya niyan, talagang pagkakasyan because they enjoy na nila yung benefits. That's why Great Bodies is here to share kung bakit ganyan ang passion tulad ni Shara sa fitness. We want to share that to the listeners para do sa hindi pa na-experience yung ganyan.
Ayan, we'll get to know more about Shara later. Pakilala natin yung next. Ito yung kanina sinasabi ko, binanggit ko kanina na anak ni Mr. King Gutierrez, si Pepper Gutierrez.
Yes, hi.
Hi.
Good morning, everyone. Yes.
Hi, Pepper.
I'm representing Slimmers World Alabang as well.
Alabang?
Yes.
Ilan ba per branch? Kahit ilan? Walang
Kahit
limit?
ilan. All the branches of Slimmers World, ang objective namin is to be well represented. So, kung marami sila, kasi may screening process naman na nangyayari. So, nirarank naman sila. So, kung nakapasok ka, if you made it to the cut, makakapasok. So,
Okay. So, Pepper, aside from being the daughter of King Gutierrez, ano ba yung pinagkakaabalahan mo pa?
I'm a former Kapamilya Dealer No Deal model and dancer, and
Wow!
former Mocha Girls as well. And I used to weigh
Talaga?
100 pounds then. And
Wow.
now I'm 122 pounds and I love my body even more.
Okay.
Yeah. Even
Mocha
if I
Girls,
weigh higher, you know. And what else? I'm a mom.
You're a mom?
Yes,
How
I have
many
a
kids?
son, 3-year-old.
Oh.
Yeah.
Parang hindi halatang na mom ka na.
It's because of Slimmer's World.
Wow,
Yes.
talagang promote Slimmer's World.
Yes.
Babalikan kita, Pepper. Next is Miss Clarissa Kalingasan.
Hello, good morning.
Hi,
I'm
Miss Clarissa.
Hello. I'm representing Trafalgar.
Trafalgar.
Yes.
That's Makati, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm 44 years old. I'm an author. I'm international certified life and business coach.
Wow.
I just
okay.
came directly from the airport.
Wow.
Nine hours
From where? From where?
from Dubai.
From Dubai. Oh, ano po ginagawa natin sa Dubai?
I had a trip there, a 5 days trip. And then I'm
Wow.
supposed to come back tomorrow, but because of this, I rebooked my flight to be
Okay.
with these beautiful
Oh.
ladies and gentlemen.
Wow, privilege naman kami. Thank you for coming today.
Because it's really a life-changing. I was 135 pounds last year, and one of the trainers in Trafalgar noticed that I have a potential. And
So
since
talaga
then-
na-motivate nila kayo na mag-join for this contest or what do you call this? Parang beauty
Physique.
pageant.
It's a physique pageant.
Yes.
Physique pageant.
competition, yeah.
So it's more on judging the
Fitness competition, yes.
physique.
Actually,
how
ang
fit you
objective
are.
ng Great Bodies is to find two of our clients, a Mr. and Miss, to represent Slimmer's World. So, ibig sabihin nun, dapat maganda yung katawan nila. Hindi lang maganda, dapat fit din sila. Kasi magpapakita sila ng aerobics, magkakaroon sila ng aerobics competition on the night itself to prove na hindi lang magandang katawan namin. Functional itong katawan namin. And not only that, they should also, like what you're witnessing right now, they're witty, they're smart, and they can represent themselves very well even in front of media. Yan ang hinahanap natin dito sa Great
parang
Bodies.
ambassador ninyo di ba?
Exactly.
Ambassador or endorser ng Slimmer's World.
Yes, and fitness as a whole to promote the healthy and fit lifestyle.
So, next we have Miss Junji Presillas.
Hello po.
Hi, Junji.
Good morning.
Good morning. So, Junji, paano ka naman nakasali dito sa, yung una muna, paano ka napunta sa Slimmer's World? What inspired you to join this particular gym? And then, bakit ka kasali ngayon sa Great Bodies?
Actually po, before pa po, client na talaga ako dito since
How many years ka na ba
Cebu pa
client?
ako kasi taga Cebu talaga ako. I cannot remember na eh. Basta matagal na.
Tagal na, several years
Tapos
na.
nag-try na din ako mag-audition sa Bikini before, Miss Bikini. Pero ngayon lang talaga yung opportunity na I can dedicate my time. Kasi before I used to do a lot of things like modeling, tapos nag-agent din ako, real estate agent with Ayala Land, and then I was also used to be a call center agent. So marami talaga akong ginagawa.
Yun nga,
Yes.
yun ang tanong ko eh. Sa dami ng ginagawa natin, di ba? Gusto natin unahin, syempre, yung pagkakitaan eh, di ba? Paano tayo nagkakaroon ng time to...
Yes, sir. But now, parang from a lot of things, parang nilesson ko na yung mga ginagawa ko. Just to give my time here kasi you need a lot of training, diet, proper sleep. Parang you need talaga to dedicate in order to be in this competition.
So, yung discipline talaga, kailangan talaga pakita natin na.
It should be from head to foot that you are having a great skin, body, tapos physically, mentally ka din fit.
Yun, no.
Yes.
Thank you, Junji. Pabalikan kita later. Next, sunod natin. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na if not the youngest ba?
Youngest po.
The youngest, si Rain Canlas.
Apo, Ryan Canlas
Ryan Canlas.
Good
Hi,
morning
Ryan.
po. Hello po.
Hello, Ryan. So, sabi mo kanina, college level ka pa lang, di ba?
Yes po, 17 years old po.
So, yung bang studies mo hindi nakakasagabal sa pagiging kasali sa or baliktad other way around?
Hindi naman po. Minamanage ko po time ko between Yung po, this and yung studies ko po. And I'm still actually in the top pa rin po, despite joining po.
Wow! Sabihin, beauty and brains talaga. Tsaka hindi lang beauty di ba? Beauty talaga, physique. Kasi may iba kasi maganda, pero
Correct.
hindi naman ano yung body, di ba?
This
Hindi
one
naman
is complete.
Oo, ito complete talaga.
Complete talaga.
So, ayun, meron, sinabi nga niya, nasa top
Correct.
siya. So, beauty, brains pa.
Yan
Diba?
ang mga candidates ng great bodies.
Nakakabilib.
Kompleto.
Oh, actually, hindi ito yung first time na mako-cover ko ang event ninyo eh. I've been to your previous events as a media, one of the vloggers and one of the media na nag-cover. Talagang mas nagustuhan ko siya compared dun sa mga Miss, yung ibang other beauty pageant. Banggitin ko na, di ba? Hindi ko na babanggitin. Basta, mas nagustuhan ko talaga.
Exciting kasi.
Oo, mas exciting. Tsaka talagang up close and personal talaga siya eh. Malapit, lalo na pag mga media presentation. Talagang maganda yung mga photos ko eh. Maganda. Talagang gusto ko nga i-upload lahat eh. Kaya lang, talagang napakaraming niya, di ba? Ngayon, you have 32 candidates, di ba? So, lahat yan, iba-ibang age level.
Correct.
Then, iba-ibang fields din ang pinanggalingan. Hindi kayo mga models lang, hindi kayo mga talagang all fields represented. Yes. You're from what branch?
Slimmers World Adriatico po.
Adriatico. So, Manila.
Yes,
so, malapit sa UST.
Yes po.
Oh, kaya
Go
you have time.
yes
Go
po.
stay. Yun. Yan, balikan kita, Ryan. Next, we have si Mr. Paul Pangilinan.
Hi, Ross. Good morning.
Hi, Paul. Eto. Sabi nga niya kanina, medyo meron na siya. Sa age, na siya na 40s, di ba? Sa 40s na.
Yeah, 44 actually.
44 to be exact. Wow. So, sir, paano yun? Kasi, di ba, you're also working as a marketing manager, di ba?
Right.
Kanina, na-mention nyo kanina. And then, do you do it after office then?
No, I actually hit the gym at 6 a.m.
So before office.
Before office. Kasi once I hit 8 p.m., it's all a blur. Kasi work will get in the way already.
Oo, di ba?
Yeah.
Misa overtime pa nga tayo eh. So how many hours ang ni-reserve nyo for the gym?
On normal days, I allocate an hour in the morning. That's from 6 to 7. But since we started this competition, I already set aside an hour also at night to work on my lower body.
Okay. So, bali nagiging 2 hours a day.
2 hours a day.
So, daily yon.
Daily.
Even weekends.
Even weekends, yes.
During the competition.
I rest during Sundays.
Okay. So, Monday to Saturday. Ayun, sir. So, ayan, sabi nyo nga kanina, di ba, 44 na kayo. Pero, paano nyo talaga, yung age ba talaga hindi siya hadlang para pagandahin yung katawan natin?
No, actually, one of the reasons why I joined this competition, actually I joined the first time around last year. It's basically to strike off an item in my bucket list. I wanted to join an equal opportunity pageant. No? But I got plenty of positive feedback last year that I was such an inspiration to others that I just want to continue inspiring other people that it's never too late to achieve the body that you've always desired.
Oo nga eh. So, ibig sabihin, may pag-asa pa rin ako.
Lahat tayo may pag-asa.
Actually, babanggitin ko, kasi before, nag-join ako sa Slimmers World.
Oh.
I bought 1 year membership. Kaya lang, biglang na-reassign ako ng ibang location. Kaya natigil, binigay ko tuloy sa brother ko, yung membership ko. So, sayang. I was near Mega Mall doon eh. Mega Mall siya yung branch na ginamit ko before. So, naka 1 month ako. Then, after 1 month, biglang na-reassign ako ng ibang location. Ang layo sa branches ng Slimmers World.
Yung continuity talaga. Actually, kanina you were asking kung paano nila ginagawa yon. It's dedication. But most importantly, for them, the word is prioritize. You have to prioritize yourself because you cannot extend yourself to your workplace. You cannot extend yourself to your school. Kung mahina yung katawan mo, ang common question is, how do they do it? How do they fit it in? Ang question talaga is, how can you not? Yung iba, mas nagugulat, now that you exercise, magugulat kami, paano nila ginagawa yon? Hindi sila nag-exercise, tas ganun yung klaseng trabahong ginagawa nila. Mapapagod sila. Kasi, this is important, kasi ito yung magpapalakas sa katawan mo. How can you go through your day nang hindi malakas yung katawan mo, hindi ka naman nag-exercise? So, a lot of people, hindi pa nila nare-realize kung ano yung, and that's the whole objective of Great Bodies, is to promote that. To if we have, or if all of these candidates were inspired from last year, then the competition is doing its job. It's doing its job. It's inspiring people. Hopefully, kasi this year, we mentioned, no, i-share ko lang na this year is one of the most, para medyo makabahan din, ma-challenge yung mga candidates natin. This is the most competitive year of Great Bodies. This is the most competitive. We have, even for the girls, kasi usually, tamang-tama lang yung girls namin. This year, talagang very competitive. Even for the boys, even for the girls.
You have 32 candidates, di ba? Hati ba yun?
Yes.
So,
I think
16,
it's 16, yes.
Yun, so partner sila or hindi naman?
Well, not necessarily so, but yes, magiging
may pairing
sila.
Pag pinipresent sila.
Yeah, but ang hirap ngayon, ang not like the previous years, masasabi mo na kung sino yung top 5, more or less. This year, hindi. You cannot. It's, ika nga bilog ang bola this year. Bilog na bilog this year.
So, tanungin ko kayo, Sir Robert.
Yeah.
And siguro, also the rest of the candidates. Ano ba talaga ang magandang nadudulot ng pag-gym? Aside from the things that you mentioned, di ba?
The
obvious na gumaganda yung katawan natin, di ba? Even our health.
Yes.
And siyempre, how people look at us, talagang makikita eh. Lalo nakikita ko kasi Sir Robert, ang ganda ng katawan. Pagpasok pala ng pinto, talagang nakakapansin na talaga eh, di ba? Di ka talagang magkakaroon ka ng motivation to look again eh. Kasi ganda, bihira yan, di ba? Hindi lahat ng tao na kasalubong natin is may magandang physique.
Hindi lang, isa yon sa mga perks of working out. Pero I'm sure what the reason why our candidates are here and doing this is because I'm sure this is part of what the reason is, because you enjoy mo yung ibang bahagi ng buhay. You enjoy eating better, you appreciate your food kasi dati kain ka lang ng kain kung ano yung order mo, kung ano yung meron, kung ano yung ibigay ng mga stores ng fast food, that's what you eat. Ngayon, you have an intimate relationship with your food.
Naging conscious ka na, diba? What you eat.
It's like, and if I may add, it's the clarity of the mind. Kasi when you are physically well-rounded, not rounded, okay? Yung mind mo, it will follow. And once your mind is clear, your spiritual abilities, your mental abilities, your relationship with yourself. And once you have a great relationship with yourself, your relationship with others will also improve. So masaya, good vibes lang.
Oo nga, sunod-sunod yan di ba? Kasi pag positive nga, di ba? Simula ka sa pagiging maganda o maganda yung katawan mo, pati yung pagkain mo, iniisip mo, magiging mapili ka, pihikan ka. And at the same time, talagang magiging role model ka pa rin ng mga family mo, mga friends mo, dahil nakikita nila, you're improving di ba? So, Shara, pakinggan natin Shara. Shara, ano ba ang pinagkaiba ng previously na hindi ka pakasali sa pag-workout? And then, nung mag-workout ka na, ano ba nangyari? Anong feedback sa'yo ng mga friends mo, family?
Dati, I used to eat anything, junk foods, soft drinks, anything, kung ano lang yung available. And ngayon,
talagang conscious na.
Ngayon, conscious na. Tapos, yun nga, lahat ng mga, yung mga kapatid ko, and my friends, anong ginagawa mo? Ba't ganyan na yung nangyari sa'yo? Parang ganda ng katawan mo. Tapos sabi ko, I go to gym every after work. Tapos yun. Yun nga may iba, sabi ng kapatid ko, sama na nga rin ako dyan ate. Kasi,
ayun, di ba? Na-encourage yung iba, di ba?
Sabi niya, ako din, sama mo na ako dyan. Nalilipat na ako ng work para sa Alabang din daw siya.
Di ba? And then si Pepper. Pepper, simula nung sumali ka dito, talagang pati ba yung lifestyle mo nagbago talaga totally?
Very much. Like I said earlier, I used to weigh 100 pounds and now 122, and I look healthier and I love my body even more. Before kasi po, I used to smoke. And it was really a struggle for me to quit smoking. And then just after 1 week of trying to bodybuild or weightlift, I stopped smoking. So it's a different
Don't hold the mic.
sorry. It's a different dedication and devotion to the sport actually. Your nutrition, supplementation, nutrition and supplementation is different. The nutrition would be your food, the supplementation would be the vitamins and minerals that you take. It's also important in our body, as well as your timing. It really would show in your muscle definition, in your physique, on how you carry yourself. Yeah, and of course, it will also, like what Coach Clarissa said, it will also show on how you think, your how you function mentally, socially, spiritually, yeah, in all factors of our life. That's all.
Tama. I agree. Miss Clarissa, so ngayon, di ba sa pagkain natin, talaga, so aside from going to the gym, do you also consider yung mga kinakain nyo lang, organic foods pa, ganun ba? And then at the same time, aside from going to the gym, do you also have sports or other na pinagkakabalan to also parang mag-complement to sa pag-gym natin, pag-workout natin sa gym?
Ako dati, puro indoors lang. Mga playing chess, collecting fountain pens.
Oh, collector ka. Fountain pens, wow.
Tsaka firing. Yun ang pinaka-outdoor ko.
Okay.
So ngayon, I really love what I do. Kasi like Paul, 5 o'clock, prepared na yung food ko for the whole day. Nakapack na siya.
Oh.
And then, I hit the gym at 6 o'clock. And then, ngayon, nag-travel ako, I made sure na yung hotel na ini-stayan namin, meron siyang gym.
Oo, syempre.
And then, I can't wait to go back home, to go back to gym. So, ito yung parang pinaka-paradigm shift ng mga tao. I'm really, really busy. So, yung busyness, di ba, Sir Robert, yung busyness nawawala siya. Kasi once you are in a good environment, especially sa slimmers, good environment, nandun na lahat. Mental, physical, ang sarap ng samahan. Ito nga yung pageant na you're friends with everyone. Diba? With the organizer, with the trainer. So, maganda. Kaya ma-enjoy ka. You don't feel like you are competing. We feel like we are family. So, yun. Panalo na kasi may family ka.
Meron din ba tong parang miscongeniality na gano'n?
Yeah.
Oo, meron din, di ba?
Yeah, there's a special award for that.
Special award din for that.
Special award yan.
So, talagang kailangan friends kayo talaga. Bonding kayo.
Well, actually, it's isa yan sa mga objective din ng Slimmers. Kasi sa Slimmers World, we believe in competition. Mapapansin nyo, binanggit nga ni Miss Brenda kanina, dami niya sinalihang competition sa Slimmers World, no? Kasi totoo, we have a lot of competition because we believe in competition. It brings out the best in us. Kaso nga lang, a lot of people do not see, but the competition also brings out the worst in us. So, but importante kasi that you know that from an organizer's point of view that we need to temper the competition, and that's something that we've done throughout the years, that we learned how to temper these competitions para maging ganito yung atmosphere niya, hindi lang yung puro competitive hanggang sa umabot na sila, nag-aaway na sila. Competitive tayo. We want to bring out the best in our clients, pero not the worst in them. Dapat yung maganda lang ang lalabas. Yes.
Tanungin natin si Junji. Junji, what is the difference from working out na on your own lang ba or working out in a gym? Ano ba? Magkaiba ba yun? Mahirap bang i-motivate ang sarili pag sarili mo lang? May motivation na nakukuha kapag you're going to the gym, di ba?
Opo. Kasi sa gym kasi parang, you're looking forward to see your friends, lalo na sa aerobics.
Saka nakikita mo rin, nakaka-conscious ka dahil yung iba, ang gaganda na ng katawan, di ba?
Yeah, so, and you're like, ang ganda naman ng ano nila, steps, ang galing lang sumayaw. So, ganon.
Tapos sa dami ng mga equipments na available sa Slimmers World, talagang bawat part ng body mo, may improve mo, di ba? Ayun. So, ano ba yung mga equipment na favorite mo doon?
Favorite ko po yung dumbbells.
The dumbbells? To improve your
biceps, triceps, tsaka arms. Kasi, maraming comments na maganda daw yung upper body ko. And I have already great legs. So, I'm just like improving.
Great
And
legs.
then now, I'm more into abs kasi I have to improve my core.
Oh,
Yeah.
mamaya pwede mo pakita yung abs niyo.
Sure.
Okay. So, mamaya. Magbe-break muna tayo. Hintayin muna bago natin tuloy sa other candidates and more questions after a short break. Break po muna tayo.
Ibig sabihin ba doon, sumuko na o hindi naman? Ang palasyo sa BBM?
Di ba, binago na nila yung sistema? Di ba, meron na silang tinatawag na bottom-up budgeting?
Oo.
Ano nangyari doon?
Kayo po'y marami ng mga probinsyang darating, lalo na ho dyan sa Muslim Mindanao. Ano ho ba yung sitwasyon po, Mr. Vice President, na nakikita nyo ngayon?
Paano yung sa susunod, dun sa balang araw? Paano kung balang araw may maglagay na, halimbawa, may isang foreign nation na gustong sakupin ng Pilipinas at huwag nyo sabihin hindi totoo yun dahil maraming may gusto nun.
So itong lahat ng opinion to para paglilinaw lang ay hindi para pigilan siya sa pagtakbo, kundi para sabihin sa kanya na dapat sundin ang nakasaad sa saligang batas.
Itanong kasi sinasabi nyo, pagka-issue ng mayor's permit ng local government, bali wala na kayong fire safety inspection. Tama po ba yun?
Bayang nagtatanong, mamamayang nag-uusisa. Ito ang Radyo Inquirer 990. Ito ang DZIQ, Radyo Inquirer 990. Over the Philippines, Hotel Sogo is the hotel chain of choice for travelers and balikbayans. Unlike other provincial hotels, now you have somewhere comfortable to stay anywhere in Metro Manila or even when you visit your favorite province. May problema ba sa car insurance mo? Kailangan mo ng matinding serbisyo? Dito ka na sa Ants Insurance Agency. Serbisyo garantisado. Tawag agad sa telephone number 374-8900. With branches all over the Philippines, Hotel Sogo is the hotel chain of choice for travelers and balikbayans. Affordable, safe, and complete with amenities, unlike other provincial hotels. Now you have somewhere comfortable to stay anywhere in Metro Manila or even when you visit your favorite province.
Ayan, nagbabalik po tayo muli dito sa Bigatin Radio ng Radyo Inquirer DCIQ 990 AM. Ito po ang inyong pambansang vlogger, Ross Del Rosario. Ngayon ay nasa radyo. So, yun. Tuloy po natin ang magandang usapan. Parang kukulangin ng isang oras para tanungin natin ang mga candidates ng great bodies ng Slimmers World. So, tuloy natin. Naputol yung usapan natin kanina dahil we had to break for our sponsors. Next, Paul Pangilinan. Si Ray. May nalakpasan ko. Unahin mo natin si Paul. Yan, sige. Nabanggit ko na. Paul, Mr. Paul.
Yes, sir.
Ayan, talagang pagpasok ni Sir Paul, talagang kita mo na agad yung body niya, malaki, di ba? Talagang, gaano kalaki nyo, gaano kalaki ang palalaki nyo? Puro laki to. Gaano ka...
Nasa bigatin kasi.
Bigatin tayo, bigatin Ayun ang tanong ko. Gaano?
Hanggang gaano pa niya gusto palakihin?
Yun. Thank you, Sir Robert. Hanggang gaano pa? Kasi marami ako nakita, mas malaki pa Mas malaki talaga. Talagang mas kitang-kita yung define talaga yung mga body, mga muscles nila Kayo, sir?
Well, we shouldn't lose sight of symmetry and proportion.
Because
I am constrained by height. I only stand 5 feet 6 inches. So I can only build my body up so much.
So you're more on bodybuilding talaga?
More on retaining a nice proportion and symmetry.
Yes. Pero at your current state, okay na po ba yan? Or i-maintain nyo na lang? Or talagang palalaki nyo pa?
No, I want to see how far my body can go, no?
So we expect na after ilang months pa lalong mas malaki kayo.
Yeah, probably grow an 8-pack. I have 6 right now. So
wow, 8-pack. 8 pa lang pack, no? Kala ko 6-pack lang talaga.
May lumalabas na dalawa.
Wow. So, ang galing talaga, no? Kasi yun, ano ba difference talaga ng pag-body build as compared to magiging fit lang? Kasi di ba?
Yes, actually, syempre hindi na tama yung sabi ni Sir Paul na we should not lose sight of our objective of exercising. Na a part of our criteria for judging dito sa great bodies is you have to be functional as well.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi hindi pwedeng malaki ka lang and you lose the function and the fitness capabilities. Kasi we have to admit, if you are so big, you become heavy, you lose the functionality, nawawala yung kakayahan mong kumilos ng yung ordinary walk na lang if you're yung mga, we're trying to veer away from that. You want them to look functional for every day. Kasi syempre pag sobrang laki ka, baka hindi ka kumasya sa pinto, ang laki mo eh. Kasi of course, kasi kung palaki na palaki, there will come a time na hindi you'll have a difficult time finding a chair that will fit you. May mawawala ka ng everyday functions in life, no? Although very very strong ka, but not necessarily so kasi limiting na yung laki mo sa paggalaw. We want the right size just to be fit and be healthy and something that can be sustained. And for the girls, we're not also looking for the She-Man look na malaki. We veered away from that somewhere in the early 2000 because we still want our female candidates, our representatives of Slimmers World to be fit but not men-like. Na mukha silang sobra ng laki. We still want them to look feminine. Fit but feminine. Kasi yan ang mga misconception. Ano kaibahan ng great bodies? Is it just plain bodybuilding? No, it's not. We want this to be a fitness competition na kumpleto.
Does it equate ba na kapag muscular ka, you're stronger?
Not necessarily so. But you have to remember na sa powerlifting competition at sa weightlifting competition, lumalakas sila, pero hindi sila lumalaki. Bakit? Because they break the same records on the same weight division. Di ba kunyari, nasa 60 kilogram class ka, you keep breaking the records. Pero nasa 60 kilogram class ka pa rin. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Lumakas ka, pero hindi ka lumaki. So, it does not necessarily mean, kaya nga meron may term na tinatawag na pound per pound. Ang ibig sabihin nun, you are stronger than what you actually weigh.
Sa boxing ko narinig yung pound per pound.
Yes, ibig sabihin nun, si Pacquiao, kunyari sinasabi nila pound per pound. Ibig sabihin nun, nanggaling siya sa mababang division, umakyat siya sa mabigat na division, na yung punching power niya at yung speed niya hindi nawala. Di ba? Kasi, di ba, pagka yung sinasabi nila nung maliit siya, hindi, pag umakyat na yan ng heavier division, babagal na yan. Hindi eh. So, pound per pound, ganun din. Not necessarily so na malaki ka, malakas ka, or maliit ka, mahina ka. Kaya may pound per pound.
Yes, sir. But, like me, I tried a lot na mag-gain ng muscles, pero depende kasi on each and everyone has the capacity to be like how her or his muscles will appear. So, I cannot compare myself to her body or to his body kasi kung yun lang yung kakayahan ng body ko, yun lang talaga yung lalabas.
Meron bang, ibig sabihin, yung body natin pwedeng hindi ganun talaga ang same ang response o same ang outcome?
Yeah, like me, I compared my photo before 2 months ago and now.
Parang na-maintain lang?
Parang lumabas lang, pero not like lumabas talaga ng bonggang-bongga. Kasi others like, lalabas talaga, no? Yun. Ako, hindi. Kung gano'n lang talaga siya.
Gusto kong tanongin si Ryan. Ryan o Ryan?
Opo, Ryan.
Okay, Ryan. Kasi, ang ano ko is, how young, what's the youngest na pwede na mag-bodybuild? Ano ba objective mo? Are you gonna build your body na para muscular talaga? Or are you just gonna maintain it para maging fit ka lang?
I just want to be fit po. Maintain lang po.
So, walang muscles na lalabas talaga na
kung
talagang,
may lumabas, edi
wow.
Great.
Hindi, ano yung pinaka-objective mo talaga? Do you want to be muscular na talagang makikita talaga ba? Kahit hindi ka mag-flex ng muscles mo talagang revealing siya or ano ba?
Fit lang siya. Fit lang po talaga.
Actually, that's yun ang nagiging question. Ano ba talaga ang gusto natin? First of all, a very strong criteria for our great bodies is aesthetics. Whatever your objective is, whatever you present to us, you have to make sure it looks good when people look at it. It has to be aesthetically pleasing sa mata. Dapat unang-una maganda sa mata. That's why we veered away from that big bulky look, especially for the ladies. Kasi sa ladies, hindi na, dadating yung point, we saw it coming. The day will come na the girls will be competing against the boys sa sobrang laki. Hindi na siya maganda. I mean, medyo nag-over na tayo. We have crossed the line. We made sure that we won't cross that line na nandito pa rin tayo sa aesthetically pleasing. That's why if you look at the history of Slimmers World, the winners of great bodies, no? Ang nananalo, ang nagko-comment, iba-iba yung look ng nananalo. Actually, isa lang ang consistent dyan. If you review the tapes, they all look good on the night itself.
Yes.
On the night itself, dun sila, because we have a fresh set of eyes to judge our candidates. We do not have the same, kumaga, paiba-iba ng judges that's why we nag-dedicate kami talaga ng time para maghanap ng judges, because we want a fresh set of eyes to judge our candidates. Hindi yung kung ano yung impression ng dating judge, yun na rin yung impression niya ngayon. So nagkakaroon tayo ng stereotype of results. Beauty changes, nagbabago siya based on the judges, because we have a fresh set of eyes.
Yung mga judges natin, from what fields pa sila?
Yes, we want also, that's we make sure that all the sectors of society, kasi syempre, like the media has a different perspective of what aesthetically pleasing, what is aesthetically pleasing. Kagaya ng, our theme this year is Japan, no?
Okay.
The Bushido Code, the code that inspires people to be benevolent, to be just, to be modest, to inspire people. Yun ang parang theme ngayon, Japan, and the Bushido Code. So iba rin ang translation nila pag sinabing aesthetics. Ang mga Japanese, when that's why we have that theme. Last year was a different theme, and so was the year before that, and every year. So we have that tradition. Kasi iba-iba yung perspective ng isang kultura sa beauty. Katulad nating mga Pilipino, iba yung perspective natin sa beauty. No? So aesthetic. So that's why this is also a very intriguing competition, because it's all about beauty ng katawan, ng kung paano mo ipe-present yung katawan mo, and in relation to fitness. Hindi ka lang dapat maganda, dapat you should also be fit, and do not cross that line na kinoncentrate mo yung fit na wala naman yung beauty aspect. Because you have to be fit and beautiful at the same time. That's why it's great bodies, great skin. And if you notice also our candidates, they represent themselves very well. Very witty sila. They're very, very quick to answer. They can represent themselves very well. Kaya kompleto talaga pagdating sa great
Tsaka may
bodies.
talent competition din ba to? May talent portion?
No. There is a creative posing.
Yung mga
creative
pose.
posing, yes, because they want to exhibit, we want them to exhibit their physique. Gusto natin na makita ng mga audience kung gaano ba ka-fit yan, patingin nga yan, kasi usually pag sinabi nating fit, very visual yung dating sa atin is it visual, is she or he visually fit, patingin, oo, maganda nga. And this means you have to show yourself well. Dapat maganda rin yung because ini-scorean din to, impression din to ng judge kung how you exhibit yourself. Kasi there is a saying that in bodybuilding, kasi there is a saying, it's not how much muscles you have, it's how much muscles you can show. Kasi ang dami mong muscle na itago mo naman, di sayang hindi rin nakita. It's how much you can show on stage, no? Kasi yung iba sobrang laki pagdating sa stage, napaliit nila. So our objective here is to show, to exhibit your physique. At meron din tayong aerobics competition on the night itself. Ito namang portion na to, it is to exhibit kung gaano ka ka-fit, gaano ka ka-flexible, yung strength mo, may power ka ba, may speed ka ba, makikita yon in 1 minute. You should be able, we have a required moves for that. Tapos meron din, tapos meron din silang question and answer to make, to round off, the brains, to round off everything. May question, kung nakaka-inspire ba sila? Kasi our objective is to inspire people. So, I guess last year's contestants in top 5 did a great job because they were inspired to join again.
Ayun, balikan natin yung mga candidates. Tanungin natin si Shara, Pepper, Clarissa, Junji, Ryan, and Paul. Para sa inyo, guys, ano sa tingin nyo yung pinakamagandang part ng body nyo? And if meron pa kayong gustong pagandahin, do you want to achieve a 6-pack and an 8-pack just like Sir Paul?
Me po, I want to improve my abs.
Sino to? Si Junji. Diba?
Yes.
Junji. So, abs. Pero sa ngayon, ano pinakamagandang part ng body mo para sa'yo?
I think it's my legs.
Your legs.
Yes.
Oh, you mentioned it kanina, di ba?
Because it's so strong eh.
So strong. How about the look, the physique?
I want to improve my smile. Kasi importante, di ba? Like, you have to be social. Yun. So,
Smile. na ano rin ba? No-workout din ba ang smile?
Yes.
May muscles din yun.
Check
muscles.
Oo nga, di ba? Yung mga models
Smile.
kailangan nakasmile palagi eh.
Smile muscles. Again, that's representing yourself. Yan. Kasi smiling yan eh.
Si Junji yun. Yung the others. How about others? Shara.
I think it's my legs too.
Dapat pala pakita nyo yung legs mamaya.
I'm wearing pants.
Dapat pala ni-request ko kayo naka-ano Ano ba dapat ang outfit mo pala
Naka-shorts.
Oo nga.
I'm in shorts, sir.
Ikaw nakita ko naka-short ka. Ayan, so best sa'yo is legs.
Yes,
Pero,
because it's strong. I think it's the strongest part of my body.
Okay, and then what else do you want to improve?
My abs too.
So
because
right now,
I'm in female, I think it's hard to retain the abs because we retain water.
tama.
In our
so
water retention for
right now
female.
ba ilang abs ka? 6, 4.
Secret, abangan niyo po. So November 20.
Hindi pwedeng i-reveal ngayon. Next si Pepper.
I think my legs, my glutes, and my shoulders.
Tatlong parts.
My back as well. Everything. I love everything.
You love everything about yourself.
I just want to improve more the abs part. It's still absent.
So ngayon,
yes, absent.
Ano ka ba? 6-pack abs na rin ba? Or secret pa rin?
It's still absent.
Absent?
November 21.
Ilang days pa ba bago na competition?
6 weeks.
6 weeks. A month and mahatagal pa yan.
So you still have 6 weeks to go to improve.
Kaya pa yan.
One pack per week.
How about Miss Clarissa?
Ako, I love my arms and shoulder and back, and because of great bodies, nagiging strong yung legs ko. And because of that, I'm preparing for 42K marathon.
Wow.
So, in February. And then, speaking of abs, right now, I have abs. Attitude, behavior, and success mindset.
There you go.
Very good.
Mukhang maghihintay pa ako ng 6 weeks bago makita ang mga abs ninyo.
Suspense ito.
So, si Clarissa nagsabi na siya si Clarissa, si Junji, and then si Ryan.
Yes
Para
po.
sa'yo, anong pinakamaganda ngayon?
Pinakamaganda po for me is yung shoulders. Pero, I think strongest po is yung legs ko.
And then, what else do you want to improve sa body mo?
Abs din po.
Abs din. So, ngayon,
Yes.
absent pa rin.
I think po may 4 na po sa ilalim ng
May
layer
4.
of fat.
Hanapin mo na.
Okay, and si Sir Paul naman.
I like my delts and my traps. I think it defines my silhouette quite well.
Ano sir yan? Delts and...
Shoulders.
Shoulders,
and
plus
then,
yung
traps
dito.
Okay. Hindi familiar sa mga parts ng body.
Right.
So, what else do you want to improve?
I think the head is still attached to the body, So, basically, I want a steelier resolve, Kasi everything emanates from the mind. What the mind can conceive, the body can achieve. And I also would like to build greater capacity for stress, because as the competition draws nearer, we really need to balance our time and apportion it between work and the rehearsals. The rehearsals, the hours can get crazy, So you need to build a greater capacity for stress for that.
Okay, yun. So, very interesting talaga na malaman o mapanood sila after 6 weeks. Makikita natin na may abs na.
Yes, and it was mentioned that sabi ni Sir Paul, your capacity for stress kasi importante daw sa rehearsal. One thing I must mention about Great Bodies, we have a great production number. That's why people are inspired also, aside from their stories, because we have a great production number and a production. If you've seen a Great Bodies competition, when you see it, para kang nasa Vegas, it's lights and glitz and glamour talaga.
Mas nag-enjoy nga talaga ako. Ang ganda ng mga videos and shots ko eh.
Yes.
Kasi ang ganda talaga ng presentation ninyo eh.
It's an experience talaga. Not just for those who are joining, but for those who are going to watch. That's why on November 21, everybody who can hear us right now or all our listeners should watch. And all they have to do is go to any of our branches or call our hotline 532 3333 536-3333 or 091 Slimmers, or log into our website www.slimmersworld.ph.com, and you can get your free tickets. The tickets are for free. Because we are true to our word, we want to inspire everyone. It's going to be at the Resorts World Theater, November 21, 7 o'clock.
Ayun.
Kasi we want to invite everyone sana sa pre-judging. Kaso nga lang, it's a smaller venue and it's for design for the media. And we want them to join, to watch us on the main event.
So, ano makikita natin sa pre-pageant?
Pre-pageant is we are going to scrutinize their physique. Kasi once we say we're going to scrutinize, hindi na namin pwedeng isama yan dun sa main event kasi masyado na matagal. Kasi ang ibig sabihin ng pre-judging namin, we want to appreciate everything that our candidates have prepared for. So nag-prepare sila ng physique nila, pinaganda nila. Like you mentioned, gusto nila palabasin yung abs nila, yung shoulders nila. And we want to appreciate that. We want a separate day for a separate set of judges to appreciate their physique. Ayaw namin yung hindi napansin yung kasi sandali lang yung binigay sa aking time, hindi ako nakapag creative posing sa harap. Kung nakita sana ng mga judges yung creative posing ko, siguro things would have turned out different. We don't want that. We want to appreciate. We know how hard they're working for their conditioning right now, and we want to appreciate that. Kaya merong pre-judging. Tas yung scores do sa pre-judging na yon, ihahalo natin dun sa main event.
It will be added.
It will be added para talagang we don't want to leave any stone left unturned. Lahat dapat makover namin.
So wala pang i-announce na parang special award dun sa pre-judging?
Meron tayong special awards on the pre-judging pa lang. But it has no bearing on your scores. Ano lang yon, because we just want to also to appreciate yung achievements nila, no? Para syempre nakaka-motivate din. Napansin pala yung ganito ko. My skin, napansin pala yung skin ko. Mabait ako. So, napansin nila yon. So, because that's also part of the judging, personality. Personality, in most contests, laging may personality. But really, how do you measure personality? Their personality is being judged as we speak right now. It's being judged. Yung dedicate nila for media presentation, for their rehearsals, kasi their personality will show on how much you respect your fellow candidates and how much you really want to inspire people. Are you just saying that because it's a competition, or is it really true to yourself na gusto mo talaga mag-inspire? No? So makikita natin yan sa personality.
Ayan, bago tayo mag-final words and promotion, break po muna tayo for a while.
With branches all over the Philippines, Hotel Sogo is the hotel chain of choice for travelers and balikbayans. Affordable, safe, and complete with amenities, unlike other provincial hotels. Now you have somewhere comfortable to stay anywhere in Metro Manila, or even when you visit your favorite province.
Ayan, so bago po natin tuloy yung magbigay sila ng mga final words nila, alam nyo ba guys na you can get 22% discount on all branches of Hotel Sogo for 6 hours and below only. Magte-text lang kayo ng the word BIGATIN, that's B as in victory, to 0998-998-4444. Ayan, 22% discount sa lahat ng branches, Hotel Sogo. Text lang kayo ng word na bigatin. B as in Victory, IGATTIN to 0998-998-4444. And then, may babalik sa inyo na reply code. Yun ang papakita nyo sa counter para bigyan kayo ng special discount na 22%. Valid ito hanggang November 30, 2015. Ayan, salamat. So, text na po. Ngayon, balikan natin for final words. Siguro, sabihin nyo how can you inspire others to follow your example para mapaganda nyo yung katawan ninyo. Ano bang, is it really worth it na mag-gym, to join Slimmers World? Ayan, you can say it para marinig ng mga nakikinig natin.
Yes, it is po. It's not only to have a good body and muscles, but it's for your health. It's for your health. Kasi it's like when you work out and have a fit body, you care for what you eat. So it's like what you eat is who you are.
So invite them, di ba? May mga parang Facebook likes yata for additional part of the competition, di ba?
Yeah. So just search Slimmers World International in Facebook and look for candidate number 16, Junji. Like my page, like my photo, and then please support me. Thank you.
Oh, that was Junji. Priscillas. Next.
Hello everyone. I'm Shara Clemente, candidate number 10. Please like the Slimmers World International page and look for the album of Great Bodies 2015. Like the picture number 10. And I would like to add about the competition. I think it's more on competing with yourself to push to your limits and to yung na-exceed mo yung kaya mo. Kung kaya mo ngayon, mas kaya mo bukas. Mas bibigatan mo. Parang yun yung parang to inspire, mai-inspire ka lalo. At yung product nun, makikita ng mga ibang tao sa physique mo and sa strength mo and sa aura mo.
Challenge taga to go beyond your limits. Yes. Next, we have Pepper.
I guess I just want to sum up my the way I want to inspire people with a passage from 1 Corinthians chapter 10 verse 31, and that's, so whether you eat or drink or whatever you do, do it or for the glory of God. It's how you inspire people to live physically, emotionally, mentally, socially, and of course your spiritual being. Thank you.
Okay, bago po natin tuloy, may news break daw po. Sige, mamaya. Next, Clarissa.
Yes, I'm candidate number 32. Please like the page of Slimmers World International and like all our pictures. And then unahin nyo na yung candidate number 32. And then for me, what is going on in our body? Kaya nga, great bodies eh. Great bodies is just the physical manifestation of what's going on in our mind. Really, everything happens in our mind that comes really from the core of our heart. So it's my pleasure, it's my privilege, and I'm honored and humbled to be part of this competition with beautiful people. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Miss Clarissa. Ryan.
Ayun po. So, like nga po, yung Slimmers World International page, and then, like po yung number 22 photo, Ryan Canlas po. Yun po. For me po, kasi discipline is knowing what you want. So, not only in fitness and in health, it's in every aspect of your life. So, you should always know and strive to achieve what you want.
Paul.
If I had known then what I know now, I would have signed up immediately. But, fitness is something that you tackle one day at a time. And fitness is something that you just need to press on even in those days that you're not feeling 100%. to all the listeners, I enjoin everyone to come watch our show, join us in our great journey of transformation. And we do have a Facebook page. No, so please help propel this Silver Fox to victory. And we'll see you on the 21st at Resorts World.
Talagang marketing manager talaga si Sir Po. Next, Sir Po, Robert. Yo, last word.
Yes, again, we'd like to invite everyone on November 21. That is on Resorts World, Newport Theater, 7 o'clock, November 21. Everybody can hear us. You can get your free tickets. Just dial 536-3333 or 091-SLIMMERS, or visit our page, www.slimmersworld.com. And from, let me quote one of the Bushido warriors, Musashi, who said, "Everything you search for is within yourself." You cannot search outside. Nasa sayo na yun. It's inside you. All you have to do is bring it out. And that's what we're going to witness on the big day, which is November 21. We are going to see our candidates bring out the best in themselves on November 21.
Wow, ang galing ang ending natin. Hey! Galing, Sir Robert. Yan. Nabitin ako. So, sana merong uling next batch of guesting. Ayan. So, salamat po. Ito po ang inyong pambasang vlogger, Ross Del Rosario, mula sa Bigatin Radio ng Radio Inquirer DCIQ. Nagpapaalam po. Salamat.
Ibig sabihin ba doon, sumuko na o hindi naman? Ang palasyo sa BBM.
Di ba, binago na nila yung sistema? Di ba, meron na silang tinatawag na bottom-up budgeting?
Oo.
Ano nangyari doon?
Kayo po'y marami ng mga probinsyang darating, lalo na ho dyan sa Muslim Mindanao. Ano ho ba yung sitwasyon po, Mr. Vice President, na nakikita nyo ngayon?
Paano yung sa susunod, dun sa balang araw? Paano kung balang araw may maglagay na, halimbawa, may isang foreign nation na gustong sakupin ng Pilipinas?